Hello and welcome to the Daily Money Quote. My name is Florian Fritz. I'm a money teacher and founder and creator of the Money Hero Tribe. Today it's time for our money quote number 164. 164, amazing, right? And it's by Elizabeth Warren. And she said, balancing your money is the key to having enough. Our money quote number 164, a lot shorter than yesterday. Balancing your money is the key to having enough. So how are you managing, how you're balancing your money? Do you have budgets? Do you know how much money you want to spend on which area of your life? Just why do companies have budgets? Which company do you think which will be more successful? The one that just paying the bills as they come, or the one that has a plan? Saying, okay, this is the amount we're going to spend on operations. This is we're going to spend on production. This is for marketing. Which one do you think will be more successful? The second one, of course. But why don't you have budgets for yourself? First of all, as I keep saying, you want to pay yourself first. So the first amount you take away is what you want to save and invest for your better future, to create your wealth. Then you want to know how much you need to spend on your necessities, for insurance, for utilities, for food, for having a roof over your head, that sort of stuff. Then you want to know what you want to spend on education, because you want to grow your production or your creating income capacity. So you want to learn new skills. So you need to spend some money on education. Then, of course, you want to have fun. So you need a budget for entertainment, for playing, for fun, because budgets don't work if your life is no fun anymore. Then you will throw them away after a month. So go through your bank account, your credit card statements, look where you spent your money over the last few months, and find out, okay, where does it go? What's important to you? And then create your budgets accordingly. Make a plan and then stick to that plan. And you will see you will have more money in the future available for the stuff that's important for you, just by putting that money in the budgeted money for every area, put it on a different account, put it in an envelope, a jar, whatever it is. You separate the money at the beginning of the month or whenever you receive your money, keep it separate, and don't start borrowing from one account to the next. Keep your budgets, okay? And you will see that works. And you will have more money for things that are more important to you. That's our money quote for today, 164. Balancing your money is the key to having enough. Start right now if you haven't done so yet, and I'll see you tomorrow with the next money quote. Bye-bye.